Let's learn this presentation trick in PowerPoint and make the SWOT analysis more animated. Change the background color and add text on top of the slide. Increase the text size, select a bold font and change the text color. Now, for rectangles, change the rectangle's background and insert content inside the rectangles. Now, duplicate the slide 4 times. In the first slide, move the rectangles outside the slide and increase the text size of the title. In the second slide, change the background color of the first rectangle and, for the title, only make the S letter filled and the other letters outlined. Repeat the same steps for every other slide. Now select all the slides, go to Transition and select Morph. That's it. Your presentation is ready. Subscribe our channel and let us know on which topic should we make next presentation.